As most of you are aware, the state of Jammu and Kashmir was put together by the founder ruler of the Dogra dynasty, Maharaja Gulab Singh. It consisted of three distinct regions and sub-regions of Jammu province: Kashmir Valley, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, and Mirpur Muzaffarabad Strip. The Dogra ruler was the only one to extend the boundaries of this princely state to the frontiers of Tibet. Maharaja Hari Singh was the last ruler of J&K until he acceded to India 100 years later on October 26, 1947, under difficult circumstances. We are living in trying times. Today, more than ever, I would like to emphasize the need to carry people of all communities and regions of the state together. Every day we see slanderous and evocative remarks and gestures being cited, followed by angry and violent protests. I believe that it is not just the responsibility of our government, but also that of our citizens, of our country and the state, to work towards maintaining peace and tranquility at every level. I often draw inspiration from Maharaja Hari Singh's quote when he acceded the throne in 1926. He said, "All religions are mine and my religion is justice." Even till this day, when I tour the remote regions of Jammu and Kashmir, people often remark, "Maharaja ka daur ek aman ka waqt tha." It is a need of the hour to bring back Aman and Shanti to our state. Today, we must strive to deliver justice to all the people of Jammu and Kashmir collectively and bridging the growing communal and regional divide in the state. While celebrating Accession Day, let us pledge to play our part in achieving this goal. I would like to congratulate Manu Khajuria and Lakshmi Kaul, the organizers of this event, for conducting this seminar. Events like these will go a long way in creating global awareness about the complexities of our state.